It is Shia from Cario. In today's video, I have another review for you with some brand new headphones that just recently got released. And oh shoot, these are the Sony. I don't even know the name. Give me one sec. They're the WH1000XM3. They have a really long name, but don't let that stumble you when buying these headphones. Now, as you can see, I really love wearing these headphones. They're super comfortable. And hey, if you're interested in picking up some girls, I'm just saying, like, these headphones are super comfortable and super flashy, and they just make a statement when you're outside in the public. So, really, you came here to take a look at what these headphones have to offer, and some of the great things and some of the maybe not so great things about these headphones. So let's start off with the great things. So these headphones offer a 30-hour battery life compared to some other headphones on the market, such as the Bose QC35, which have a 20-hour battery life. Now, these headphones also have some quick charging capabilities, with 10 minutes offering 5 hours compared to the 15 minutes, 2.5 hours of the Bose QC35s. And I'm going to be bringing up the Bose QC35s a ton in this video, as they are the main competitors to these headphones, because these headphones are also noise canceling, which are super cool. So these headphones, the level of comfort are amazing. They're really on par to the Bose QC25s, which makes it super nice to really just listen to music and fade away, especially if you're doing long plane rides or train rides or whatever. They're super comfortable to wear for very long periods of time. Now, the noise canceling, you might be wondering, how is it? Well, I can tell you for no doubt that I was not able to hear a couple of my friends when I was out shooting B-roll footage for some other videos while listening to some music. So really, the noise canceling, you're not compromising on that feature, which is really nice. Now, we're going to be moving on to the personalization of these headphones, which are super, super cool. You actually do get an app that you can get on the App Store and Google Play Store that you can actually customize different things like EQing, different concert venues, which is super cool. I actually was testing that out earlier in my room, just listening to music. It was like I was listening to a Migos or Drake concert in my bedroom, which is super cool. So these headphones do offer a lot of those customization. They also have another feature which is super cool, is this pressure optimizer. So depending on where you are level-wise, so if you're on a plane, it will actually detect the level you're at and customize the pretty much noise cancellation of the headphones, which are super cool, especially if you're on an airplane and you want to listen to some, awesome music at some awesome quality. So really, these headphones do come with a lot when you're using it with an app. Other headphones also have apps such as the Bose QC35, which have the same EQing, but really, the Bose QC35's app doesn't really have the effects and simulation of those concert venues, which I liked about these headphones. So another thing that these headphones also got were awards from companies such as CNET, Engadget, Wired, and actually CES 2019 Honorary Award. Now, if you don't know, I went to CES 2019 this year, and I heard a ton of buzz and hype around these headphones. And when I finally got to actually review this headphone and really check it out, I was blown away by the level of quality of these headphones, which are just super good. And my friends that are also helping me with this video can attest to. Now, we're going to get into some of the things that are not so great and things that you might want to consider when buying these headphones. So, number one, you might tell that there is some swiveling on these headphones, which are super cool, especially when you're tucking it away in this hard shell case that is included, by the way. The actual swivel can become a little loose. From my testing, they were loose for me, so it felt a little unsturdy when using these, especially when you're trying to pick them up from a specific orientation. You might not want to twist it. So that's another thing for one thing that I dislike. Another thing that I dislike are the buttons or the controls, the playback controls I should say, of these headphones. Now, coming from my go-to headphones, the Beats Solo 3 wireless, those headphones have tactile buttons, if you will, for playback controls, whereas these ones have some cool hand gesture playback controls. Now you might be saying, whoa, that's super cool, like hand gestures, that's next level stuff. Well, my friend, that is not the case with these headphones. These headphones sometimes will register your gesture, such as a tap to play, and sometimes it won't. So that is one of the really struggling things that I have, especially for someone that might have tight jeans or just don't want to get your phone out. Really, those playback controls are very useful for you. So that was one bummer that I really didn't like about these headphones that I really missed from my other headphones that I usually use. So my final thoughts, some of the major points that you as a consumer might want to consider. 1, the battery life are amazing on these headphones. Especially when you want to listen to these for a really long time, the comfort level of these headphones are on par to the other headphones that are on the market, such as the Bose QC35s. 2, the level of personalization that you get on these headphones, such as different musical venues, simulations, or even the different EQing abilities on this. And by the way, I forgot to mention, these have incredible bass drivers. They're super cool. And 3rd, the level of music and the different music types that you can listen to on these headphones are just mind-blowing. And that's all due to the customization of these headphones through the app that is included, again, on the App Store and Google Play Store, which you can't really say about most other headphones on the market right now, especially considering these are $349.95. So they are pretty much the same price as the Bose QC35s or even the Beats Studio 3s. But other than that, these headphones are a solid purchase. These are super comfortable to wear, and they're super good to listen to. And my friends, again, behind the camera can attest to that. And quick little shout out, my friend Nathan and my friend Chewy. Their social media handles will be down below, as well as the person who was able to let me get their hands on these headphones, Ryan. He will be also mentioned down below in the description. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to go like it. If you love it and want to check out more content, make sure to go and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more content like this. And yeah, thanks so much, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.